The Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act in India was first enacted in which year? A. 1986. B. 2000. C. 2015. D. 1992. Answer. A. 1986. 2. The legal provision in India that mandates free and compulsory education for all children aged 6 to 14 years is under? A. The Right to Education Act. B. The Child Welfare Act. C. The Free Education Act. D. The Compulsory Education Act. Answer. A. The Right to Education Act. 3. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act was enacted in India in which year to protect children from sexual abuse? A. 2009. B. 2012. C. 2015. D. 2018. Answer. B. 2012. 4. The legal provision in India that criminalizes child marriage and prescribes punishment for those involved is under? A. The Prohibition of Child Marriage Act. B. The Child Rights Protection Act. C. The Child Marriage Prevention Act. D. The Juvenile Justice Act. Answer. A. The Prohibition of Child Marriage Act. 5. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights (NCPCR) in India was established in which year to protect and promote the rights of children? A. 2001. B. 2005. C. 2007. D. 2010. Answer. C. 2007. 6. The legal provision in India that mandates the establishment of children's courts to deal with offences against children is under? A. The Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act. B. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act. C. The Child Protection Act. D. The Child Rights Act. Answer. A. The Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act. 7. The Integrated Child Protection Scheme (ICPS) in India was launched in which year to ensure the safety and security of children? A. 2009. B. 2011. C. 2013. D. 2015. Answer. A. 2009. 8. The legal provision in India that bans child labor in hazardous industries is under? A. The Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act. B. The Child Rights Protection Act. C. The Child Labor Abolition Act. D. The Right to Education Act. Answer. A. The Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act. 9. The Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram (RBSK) was launched in India in which year to provide comprehensive health care to children? A. 2011. B. 2012. C. 2013. D. 2015. Answer. B. 2012.